Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Burgh Unboxing. Now, I've already unboxed it because I had to make sure it was not a prank item. But in here is an empty box, which I will save. And in here it is, they sent it to me for free. This has the battery, the charger, USB cable, SIM card, start guide, product safety, includes 30 gigabytes of data access, compatible to devices required. And I'm not sure which compatible devices are required with this. I will plug this in later. So here's the pretty pink box. Here is the receiver, whatever the hell you want to call it, and it says 30 days on us. So I found out about this on watching a video online, and here they've got test drive, and there is a pamphlet that tells you all about it, and it says connects Wi-Fi enabled devices. You can stream videos, email, browse the web, make calls using the power of T-Mobile's network. Your trial lasts for 30 days or 30 gigabytes. I'm going to have to stop at T-Mobile and say, what the hell is this for? Now, I am getting sent something, and this apparently connects to their wet network. Open the back cover, choose the nano SIM size, install battery, connect the device, and then you have to get the settings and the password and software. So there's the little manual, the health and safety warranty. This says by CoolPad, and if I'm not sure about this, this may be the one they wanted me to pay $75 for the iPad. So terms and conditions booklet, and then there is the T-Mobile SIM card. So that will go in there. Then you have in here, you have the inside of the box. There's a little charger. Yet another one of the thousands of chargers. I got to remember what goes to where. I'm going to take a piece of paper and scotch tape T-Mobile on this, because I'm always getting power bricks that months later I cannot remember what the hell they are. Okay, this is the little charger for it. I don't know if you can see that. Not clearly. This is their USB cable. Nice little envelope in a plastic bag. And then here's the battery. And then here is the device. And I'm not going to peel this thing off. It says signal, Wi-Fi, messages, battery, data, and off and on. And there's a button to push it off and on. So there's that. And there's the connecting port. I'm not sure what the thing at the top is, some kind of button. And I don't know how you open this yet to put the battery in. It doesn't seem to want to slide. I don't see any way to get it off. Well, anyway, it's there. And finally, here is the battery. So whatever I do with this, and I'm getting a device, will be sent off to me in the next few days. I see no way to open this without reading the manual, and I can't see it unless I take my camera and try to figure out how to open this. Lift gently in the direction shown. Well, using the strength of 10 men, I am lifting gently, but it is thwarting me. So I don't know, Captain, how am I going to get this thing open? I'm pushing on the button on the bottom, and absolutely nothing is occurring. Let's see. Open. This will work for iPhone and Android if you ever get it open. Lift gently in the direction shown, which is straight up. This is bizarre. It doesn't slide. And it doesn't want to lift. I'm not completely inept in these things, but this one, there seems to be a kind of a rubber gasket here. And it will not let me to open it. So allow me to open it. No matter what I do, I can't get this damn thing open. Hold on, I'm feeling something moving. Maybe. Nope, I'm pulling at this with all my might. And it is not doing it. Pushing on this button and it's not doing it. Pushing on this button, it's not doing it. Doesn't say what the button is for. I love this. Install the battery and replace the back cover. And my question is how? It won't open. And mind you, I don't have the greatest hand strength because of arthritis. But this thing will not open. And I don't want to stick a scissor in here and ruin it or break it. I'm pulling up and down. I get nothing. So I'm going to have to stop at the T-Mobile and say, sir, how do you open this? Well, anyway, this enables me to have a Wi-Fi hotspot apparently anywhere I go, but I can't get it open. So I'll let you know in the next video how I got it open. Excuse me. All right, this is George Senda with Burgh Unboxing, but not unopening the T-Mobile test drive device that I can't get open. So maybe Dynamite would open it. I don't know. Boy, this thing just... There's no give to it at all. Maybe they crazy glued it shut. I don't know. I don't see how. It's probably helped I didn't clip my nails or bite them, but I am pulling on this from every corner and absolutely nothing's happening. So I give up. I'm going to throw it back in the box, take it in there and say, how the hell do you open this thing up? So it'll be interesting to find out when I get the device and when I figure out how to get this to work and charge and all that good stuff. We will see. We could do one thing here, though. Hold on. That time I didn't do any good without the battery. So I thought I could plug it in. You could see the lights, but so I'll have to ask them, do I get 31 days test drive since I can't get it to open up? But this will work at the iPhone or Android if you ever get it open. And there it is. A test drive that won't open. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. It is 2:27 in the afternoon on a glorious, bright, sunny, warm day in Martinez. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. My friend in the hinterlands, way up in the Great White North, says he's got 5 inches of snow, and yet it's pouring rain. And he has very cute kitties. So, just talk to him on the phone. Stay warm and dry. Definitely stay safe. And this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.